This is my advice if you want to make money in 2024. One of the easiest ways to make money, I would say, is video editing or graphic design, some online skill, some computer skill. Even just editing on CapCut can take you far, even just captioning, but really just delivering value. Finding out how can you deliver the most value for someone else? How can you do something that will make them money, right? Like YouTubers make so much money off their videos, but they might not have time to edit videos. So I would DM hundreds and hundreds of YouTubers, like people with 10,000 subscribers, and say, hey, I will edit your video for free. If you like it, then we could work together. And like, if anyone is interested, I would like video editors that would do commission based. It's like, as much money as the YouTube video makes, I'll give you half. Right, but if it makes nothing, then you get nothing. So it's risky. But yeah, it's just really about learning skills. Learn skills and try things, dude. Try things. And another real good way is to build your own personal brand, post YouTube videos, post TikToks, post on Instagram, and grow your following so that more people know about you and your services, whatever they may be. But really just get skills. Maybe learn how to massage. Maybe, um, become a yoga teacher, whatever it might be. What's up, B? Yeah, so that's kind of my advice, guys. If you want are looking for side hustles in 2024, learn online skills, look online, see what the most successful people are doing, create a course, read books, create YouTube videos, summarize books, summarize movies, review stuff, have fun, make music, talk to people, start a podcast, whatever. Reach out to people. It's a numbers game. You need to email hundreds of people if you want a job, and find people on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and I'll link below a really good email list that is really good to find jobs in the creator economy as well.